So the T-stop, basically, it's another way of stopping yourself from moving across the ice by dragging one foot behind the other. So, how do we do it? We start off, you take a little bit of speed, bring yourself into your 2-footed glide. From there, you transfer your weight over to 1 foot slightly, okay? My weight now is on my left foot, so I'm going to stop using my right foot. From there, you just open the back foot and drag it along the ice. I haven't opened my hip with it. If you open your hip with it, you'll pivot around the corner. So here, if I show you opening my hip, you see, I just pivot around the corner. My shoulders and my hips stay facing the direction I'm going. There, take the speed, 2 foot, weight here, open the foot. You see, it's just that small movement of the foot opening. You can see, just comes in behind the other like that, okay? Doesn't do a big movement, you don't want it back here. So, some common mistakes you see people doing with the T-stop, as they do it, they put their weight, as it starts stopping here, they leave their weight back on this foot. So it looks something like this. And they get stuck here. Another thing, like I mentioned before, if you open that hip as you do the foot there, they pivot off around the corner. You want to avoid that as well. You also want to make sure that when you open your foot, you sit in the middle like this. You don't want it back there, you don't want it out to the side. You see people do it, and they'll drag their toe out here somewhere, and they'll all be twisted and all over the place. They also do it too wide, and again, I do that, and I'm just going to spin around in a circle. You want to avoid both these things. As you start stopping, bring it in nice and close like this. If I show you from the side, I push, and as I stop, I bring it in nice and close like that. So, the more advanced T-stop, instead of just merely dragging the foot along the ice like that, we're going to try and get this pressured scrape that we've been talking about in the other stops. So as I bring my foot in, I'm here and my foot is not on the ice yet, and as I put it down, I try and scrape the ice with the back foot, not by dragging it, but by applying a little bit of pressure into it like that. You see, so here, for the more advanced one, my weight is on the front foot, I'm in this T position, and I just get a slight scrape with the back foot, with a bit of pressure, and not the drag. Not with my foot broken like that, dragging, with my foot upright, like this. The cool thing about that is that you can stop much more abruptly with that. And when you get comfortable with it, you can do other variations, you can take up a bit of speed, you can stop and you can take the front foot off, like that. You can do lots of different things with it, so it's a good one to learn.